Are you a family looking for a starter home in a prime Tecumseh location? I got one for you. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom. It's close to parks, school, and many amenities. Let's go on and check it out. As we enter the home, you're greeted by a nice open foyer. As we go upstairs, there's a beautiful open concept eat-in kitchen. A living room with lots of natural lighting coming in, open concept as well. A 3-piece bathroom. Your primary bedroom. A lot of natural lighting as well. Nice and clean. And a nice size second bedroom. As we head downstairs, you'll find a nice family room with tons of natural lighting. It's a clean space. You can do whatever you choose to, especially creating memories with your family and hanging out. A nice size third bedroom. And guess what? You have your own 3-piece bathroom that's connected to this bedroom. Let's go and check the backyard out now. A nice sized backyard that's easy to maintain with no rear neighbors. A nice sized patio and a gazebo to enjoy those summer days. And a walkout basement. Let me know what you think of this house. Are you interested in seeing it? Give us a call.